Whatever's happening between Peanuts and Lesego seems to be getting stronger every single time they spend time together. So after watching Peanuts' latest video with Lesego, I picked up on a few things that I think are worth talking about. Now, one thing you need to understand is that the more you spend time with someone, the more you get to know them. And when you genuinely enjoy being around each other, that connection naturally starts growing. It doesn't always mean people are dating, but spending quality time together definitely creates opportunities for feelings to develop. And that's exactly why people keep talking about Peanuts and Lesego. Some people might say they're just making content, and yes, that's true. But at the end of the day, they're still spending a lot of time together. They're together during break time at school, they film content together, even after school, they're still hanging out. In one of the recent videos, Lesego was even making noodles for Peanuts. Aww. Now, that might not sound like a big deal to some people, but it's the little things that bring people closer. Those small moments eventually become memories, and memories are what build strong connections. That's why so many viewers are starting to believe there's something more than just friendship developing between them. Another thing that really stood out for me was Lesego's body language. Now, obviously we can't say for a fact that someone likes another person just by looking at their expressions, but from what I've been seeing, she either has a naturally shy personality or she genuinely has feelings for Peanuts. There's one moment that really caught my attention. Peanuts asked her who likes the other person more between the two of them, and without hesitating, she said she likes him more. Whether she meant it in a romantic way or just as a friend is something only she knows, but it's definitely one of those moments that got people talking. Then came the prank that made things even more interesting. Peanuts jokingly called Lesego by his ex-girlfriend, Akanya, and Lesego was clearly not happy about it. Now, to be fair, most people wouldn't appreciate being called by someone else's name, especially an ex, so her reaction was understandable. But at the same time, a lot of viewers felt like her reaction showed she genuinely cares about Peanuts. Aww. Whether that's true or not, I'll leave that to you guys to decide. One thing I can say is that their chemistry on camera feels very natural. They laugh together, they're comfortable around each other, and they seem to enjoy every moment they spend together. And that's probably why so many people are already rooting for them. If things continue going the way they are right now, don't be surprised if people keep shipping them even more in the coming weeks. Now, whether Peanuts and Lesego ever become an actual couple is something only time will tell. But if you ask the comment section, it seems like a lot of people are already hoping it happens. What do you guys think? Do you believe there's something more than friendship between Peanuts and Lesego? Or do you think they're simply close friends making great content together? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.